In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open image in Affinity Photo. If you're new to the app or just want a quick refresher, there are two simple ways to bring a picture into Affinity Photo, using the File menu or using drag and drop. Both methods get you to the same place, so go with whichever feels most comfortable. Let's start with the menu approach. Open Affinity Photo on your computer. Along the top of the screen, click File. From that menu, choose Open. This brings up your system's file dialog, where you can browse to the folder that contains your image. Navigate to the picture you want to work with. Common formats like JPG, PNG, and TIFF are all supported. If you don't immediately see your file, make sure you're looking in the correct folder and that the file type filter isn't hiding it. Select the image you want and click Open. Affinity Photo will load it right into the main editing area, ready for you to start working. You'll know it's open when you see the image on the canvas and the file name in a tab across the top of the workspace. From here, you can zoom, pan, or begin editing without any extra setup. Now for the drag and drop method, which is great when you already have a folder open. With Affinity Photo running, open your File Explorer, Windows Explorer on a PC or Finder on a Mac, and locate your image. Click and hold the file, then drag it over to the Affinity Photo window. When you see the app highlight, release the mouse to drop the file. The image will open instantly in its own tab. This is a fast, fluid way to work if you're reviewing several images in a folder and want to open them one by one. If it doesn't appear right away, make sure you're dropping onto the main window area rather than the title bar or outside the app. A quick note on what you'll see after opening. Each image appears in its own tab along the top of the screen, which makes it easy to switch between pictures if you open multiple during your session. The image is immediately editable, no extra confirmations needed, so you can start adjusting exposure, retouching, or adding layers as soon as it loads. That's all there is to it. Use File and Open when you prefer a structured browse or drag and drop when you want speed. Either way, your image will be on the canvas and ready to edit in just a few seconds.